Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, my name's Stelly.
And I'm Dane.
And we are the proud authors of the series of books, Knowledge to Forage.
And a healing herbal journey.
And we're here today to teach you all about how to make butter.
Wild garlic butter.
Wild garlic butter. So we're going to show you how to make butter. It's really easy, and then we're going to infuse it with some wild garlic.
Yep, so come for a frolic through this woodland with us, and we'll show you how to gather wild garlic, and we'll take some home and show you how to make butter from scratch, and take the wild garlic and infuse them together to make wild garlic butter.
Wild garlic likes to live along the side of riverbanks near water. The leaves are long and lance-shaped with this point at the end. They're smooth and they've got smooth edges. They've also got this white vein that runs down the middle. The key thing with wild garlic is if you crush it in your fingers and then you smell it, and it smells like wild garlic, then you've got garlic.
Now, you have to be mindful when foraging for wild garlic. It's super easy to identify, but growing amongst it, here for example, we have dog's mercury. This is a poisonous plant. And you could also mistake wild garlic for lords and ladies or lily of the valley. But the key difference is, if you squish it and it smells like garlic, then you know you have garlic. None of the lookalikes or anything poisonous smells like garlic.
Two bunches is all you need. Now let's go home and make ourselves butter.
Welcome back to our humble home.
Here we are, and we are going to show you how to make some easy peasy wild garlic butter. All we need to make wild garlic butter is your wild garlic and some double cream and some salt. Step 1, wash your garlic. Step 2, chop your garlic into very small pieces. Pop your wild garlic, measure it into a glassful. Lovely jubbly. Now it's time to shake up our double cream and turn it into butter. Who knew that was how you made butter? It's amazing. It's so easy. So we're going to use our whisker, our electric whisk, but if you don't have one of these, you can get yourself a jar, do it old school, fill it half with cream and shake it for 10 to 12 minutes and you'll get butter. Pour in 600 ml of double cream. Just push the cream down the sides and keep whizzing or keep shaking until your buttermilk and your butter have separated. Can you see your buttermilk and your butter have separated? And we've got all this lovely butter and I'll show you what to do next. Turn it into garlic butter. Okay, pour out your buttermilk. Save it to make some yummy pancakes. We're going to treat our butter with love and make her an ice bath. Pop in 3 to 4 cubes of ice. Fill with water. So the reason we're going to do this is to wash off any of the remaining buttermilk and to help preserve our garlic butter. You don't have to do this step if you haven't got the ice. Dane doesn't really do it, and garlic butter never lasts that long in our house anyway. But I just want to show you anyway. So you can see that the buttermilk is squeezing out. I'm going to give it a little wash. Give it a squeeze until the water runs clear. Lovely. And here we have it. You've made yourself some butter. So you can leave this as it is and just have plain butter, or we can add a teaspoon of salt. Well, half a teaspoon of salt. And our wild garlic. Our cup of wild garlic. Do 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 do. Oh, it smells amazing. There we go. Look at that. Homemade wild garlic butter. We're going to pop it on some baking paper, parchment paper, and you can make your butter into any shape you like. You could have a big traditional butter square shape, or we're going to make ours into a log. So roll her up. Twist up the ends like a cracker. I'm going to pop in the fridge for half an hour to let her set. Wild garlic butter. Delicious. Okay. Oh yeah.
And there we have it.
Ta-da! Wild garlic butter. Yum, yum, yum. Super easy. Who knew how easy it could be?
Yeah, you can make butter at home, super easy peasy, just by shaking it in a jar or putting it in your spinning device.
Okay, taste test.
Taste test. I've got a super sore throat today, so I'm eating some wild garlic. With its antibacterial properties to help make that go away. As always, it's been a pleasure.
This is such a treat. It's so nice.
Such a treat. The kids love it.
The kids love it. They've been having this for breakfast every day. It's been really delicious for them.
Yeah.
Really nice.
And they don't like the butter from the shops, so that's saying something, isn't it? They like this homemade butter, but they don't like the margarine. I wonder why.
Their wisdom telling them.
It's their intuition.
Something's going on.
Yeah. As always, don't forget to do all them modern world things, such as like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell.
Yeah, and check out our awesome selection of books if you wish to. And if you'd like some bite-sized foraging tips monthly in your inbox, follow along Foraging at Ko-fi, where I share all my activity worksheets so you can fill in your nature journals and get outside and have those prompts to really get out there and feel the nature.
They're very awesome. Steady makes new ones every month, and they're fun, colourful, engaging, and I love them. Check out our awesome series of books. We've got Knowledge to Forage, the Foraging Year, a healing herbal journey, and we've got the Foraging Families book. But most importantly of all, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you all next time.